Now, before we dive deeper into this conversation and understand कि कैसे पीनी चाहिए, क्या गलतियां हैं and everything else, let's have a quick crash course on alcohol. कितने types की होती है, क्या difference होता है, कैसे बनती है?
Okay, let me tell you how all alcohols come from. Okay, alcohol का process बड़ा simple है. Sugar को ferment करेंगे yeast के presence में.
Okay.
It will convert into alcohol and carbon dioxide. At this process, about 5 to 15% is the alcohol that you get after fermentation.
Okay.
Now, this is not pure. You have to then distill it to make it purer.
Okay.
Then
Edible to make it edible.
edible हो सकता है. For example, beer is undistilled.
Oh.
Wine is undistilled.
अच्छा.
Then you distill it to make a spirit, like a 40% ABV. So
Okay.
after first distillation, you'll get about 20% ABV. After second distillation, you'll get about 60% ABV. And you
Okay.
dilute it and bottle at 40% ABV.
Okay.
So कहाँ से sugar आ रहा है will define कि वो spirit क्या बनेगी.
Okay.
Okay. So
Okay.
if the sugar is coming from grains and it is unfermented and also has an ingredient called hops. Hops come from the cannabis family, but it's not cannabis.
Okay.
Then it becomes beer. So
Oh.
grains plus yeast plus hops
Hops.
plus water, of course, water to hai,
Right.
gives you beer. Beer is again non-fermented. So if you start with grains, don't put hops. So grains plus yeast plus water gives you something which if you distill gives you vodka.
Oh, okay.
Vodka is triple distilled or more.
Okay.
But if you double distill it, technically it's vodka.
Okay.
And if you age it, it becomes whiskey.
Okay. So just aged vodka becomes whiskey.
Yeah. Vodka is triple distilled or plus.
Okay.
So whiskeys are double distilled. That's the difference.
Okay.
But in a way, whiskey is aged vodka.
Okay.
In a way.
Okay.
So the fact that it comes from grains, so it will become whiskey.
Okay.
If it starts from sugarcane,
Okay.
entire process same. Sugarcane plus yeast plus water gives you something which you distill, gives you rum.
Oh.
So sugarcane and products. It could come from sugarcane juice. It could come from molasses. It could come from jaggery.
Okay.
Everything will lead to a rum.
Okay.
You can age it or not. That's separate.
That still
but
stays
that's
the
rum.
rum. Okay.
If it's coming from a fruit called agave, it becomes a tequila.
Tequila. All right.
If it comes from grapes, undistilled is wine. If you distill it and age it like how you do whiskey, it becomes brandy.
Oh. Okay. The source is same for
source
both
is same for
wine
brandy and wine. Source is same
Okay.
grapes. And then one thing is remaining is gin.
Okay.
Gin is nothing but kind of flavored vodka. So if you add botanicals to vodka, as long as one botanical, which is juniper berry is there, then it is gin.
Okay.
If juniper berry is not there, then it's flavored vodka. So if you're adding any flavor to vodka, but you're not adding juniper, it's flavored vodka. But of all the flavors, if you add juniper berry also, it becomes a gin.
The source of everything is sugar, and
Yes.
where the sugar is derived from,
Exactly.
that will decide
Exactly.
कि हमारा end product
Yeah.
बनेगा
For
क्या.
example, if the sugar is coming from the cashew fruit, it's cashew apple. Cashew होता है, cashew के ऊपर जो एक capsicum looking apple होता है, then it becomes fenny.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
If it comes from coconut,
Yeah.
then it becomes a coconut fenny. So
Coconut
again,
fenny.
source क्या है of sugar will
Right.
define what spirit it will make.
Oh. And all these spirits are produced in India also? Are they produced everywhere?
Yeah. So unless it's GI tagged, GI is geographical indication, which
Okay.
means there are some spirits or
Okay.
products. Doesn't have to be about
Yeah.
alcohol. All
Right.
For example, Darjeeling tea is GI tagged. It can only come from Darjeeling.
Okay.
Cashew fenny is also now GI tagged. It can only come from Goa. A champagne can only come from the Champagne region of France. You can make sparkling wine in India. It will not be called champagne. It will only be called
Okay.
sparkling wine.
Just like Scotch is something which is made in Scotland.
Exactly. Scotch can only be made in Scotland.
Or bourbon from
Bourbon
US.
can only be made in the US.
Okay.
Exactly. Similarly, tequila can only come from a certain regions of Mexico.
Oh.
If you run the same process in India, it will just be called agave spirit, or you can call it whatever. It can't be called tequila.
Oh, okay. कुछ ऐसे spirits होते हैं, alcohol होते हैं जो by default considered as women's drink.
Yeah.
And some of them are considered as men's drink, जैसे wine या फिर vodka. मतलब ऐसे tag लगा हुआ है कि ये women's की drink. ये क्यों है?
We have to understand that women's body
Yeah.
can endure less alcohol as compared to men's body.
Biologically.
Biologically. So because there is less water in women's body.
Okay.
So when you drink alcohol, when women drink alcohol, they have a higher concentration of alcohol per unit volume of water. Like we mentioned, the capacity of women drinking is of course less than how much men can drink.
Right.
Also, the enzymes, the ADH and ALDH,
Mhm.
don't process as quick as
Okay.
men's enzyme do.
Okay. And this is
Uh,
why women get drunk faster than men.
Exactly.
Okay.
Alcohol hurts women's body more than it hurts men's body.
Oh, really?
Yeah. There are some alcohols which
Uh-huh.
are actually more harmful for your body,
Okay.
especially the darker spirits.
Okay.
Whiskey, rum,
Okay.
because
Darker means dark in color?
dark in
or-
color,
Okay.
so which are aged especially,
All right.
or come from grains,
Mhm.
primarily because they have these byproducts which are formed during fermentation
Okay.
called congeners. Congeners actually cause headaches, hangover,
Ah.
if not removed
Mhm.
well. Because
Okay.
during fermentation they are created,
Mhm.
they can be removed during distillation step,
Mhm.
but a cheaper whiskey, a cheaper rum is very harmful.
Okay.
Vodka is considered to be a women's drink,
Mhm.
primarily because all congeners are removed because it's triple distilled or more.
Okay.
Gin is again comes from vodka, so again considered a women's drink. Darker spirits, especially rum, whiskey, have higher
Okay.
concentration of congeners, especially
Okay.
cheaper rums and cheaper
Okay.
whiskeys,
Which causes hangover.
which causes hangover. And
Hmm.
women's body, are more sensitive to these congeners.
Okay.
And
Okay.
hence, over time, we've realized that vodkas are best for women because their
Yeah.
body, anyways, can't take as much
Right.
alcohol.
Right,
Anyways,
right.
women should drink less. Everybody should drink, anyways, better quality alcohol,
Yeah.
which has less congeners.
Mhm.
And vodkas are the best. Vodkas
Mhm.
are the cleanest spirit because they're distilled multiple times,
Mhm.
both for men and women.
And women.
Yeah.
Makes sense. Thank you so much for watching this clip. And there's a lot more information which has been discussed about how to drink responsibly in the entire episode. So if you wish to watch the full episode, then you can click on the link given in description below.